everyone. Welcome back to Good Day Kansas. It's time for another segment with our friends and partners, Wichita Homeworks. Of course, we're joined with Shaun. Shaun, thanks for being with us today.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, you guys have quite the project going on here in Wichita today. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, this has been a fun one. So the existing deck that was on the house was starting to kind of settle and have some issues. They wanted to do some updating, actually cover the deck. It was all kind of uncovered with a pergola over it before. So demoed some patio, added additional patio, an area for a fire pit, deck, roughly the same layout as before, and covering it as well. Roof on the rest of the house, and new gutters all the way around.
Wow, I mean, like I said, quite the project and pretty perfect for this beautiful backyard that they have here.
Absolutely.
About how long does a project like this take you?
This time of year with some weather delays, we anticipate we'll probably be here around a month with all aspects of the project.
So if people want something like this done to their home, about how much notice do they need if they want it done, you know, in the next few months?
The more notice, the better.
Yes.
You know, most jobs we can be on within a couple of months. Now this one, for example, had some design time in there where we had to draw up the house, kind of draw renderings of the new deck, the roof, the patio, things of that sort. So that extends that timeline a little bit, and we want that portion to be a little bit slower so the customer has time to look over it, kind of review what the final result's going to look like, make changes as needed, and just make sure we're doing what they want.
Yeah, make sure it's exactly how they like it. And Shaun, earlier you said, you know, weather dependent. It's always weather dependent here in Kansas. But as we move into the colder seasons, are there certain things you guys can't do outside during this time?
Some things.
Okay.
Of course, paint work, you know, we want to make sure we've got several hours where it's staying, you know, above mid-30s, just to make sure that paint cures properly. Concrete, we don't want it to be too cold while we're doing that.
Okay.
A lot of it, just making sure it's not icy. You know, we want to keep our guys where they're safe and can be productive. As it gets really cold, it slows them down a lot. So, yeah, we like to shoot for that nicer weather. But we still keep rolling throughout the winter months on exterior projects. Yeah,
but it's never a wrong time to call for exterior projects. Get started on it as soon as you can. And thankfully, with Wichita Homeworks, you guys work inside and outside. Inside's probably a good time to start on right now, too.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, well, if people want more information about all of the things you do, how can they find that?
They can find us on the web, www.wichitahomeworks.com. Call us at the office, 316-303-4485. All the social media outlets.
All right, well, thanks for being with us today, Shaun.
Thank you.
All right, we'll have more on Good Day Kansas coming up right after this.